Have you ever wondered how much it actually costs to withdraw money using the YouTrip card? We've all been there, standing in front of an ATM, heart pounding, hoping that the fees aren't too steep. Well, today, we're going to dive deep into the world of YouTrip withdrawal fees and answer that burning question once and for all. Let's start with the basics. YouTrip is a multi-currency travel card that allows you to spend and withdraw money in various currencies around the world. But, like any good thing, there's a catch: fees. So, how much does YouTrip charge for withdrawals? Well, it's not a straightforward answer. The fees can vary depending on a few factors. Withdrawal currency, the currency you're withdrawing in, can affect the fees. Some currencies might have higher withdrawal fees than others. ATM network, the ATM network you're using can also influence the fees. Certain ATM networks might charge additional fees on top of YouTrip's fees. Withdrawal amount, in some cases, the amount you're withdrawing can impact the fees. Larger withdrawals might incur higher fees. Breaking down the fees. To give you a better idea, let's break down the potential fees you might encounter. YouTrip's withdrawal fee. This is a fee charged directly by YouTrip for every withdrawal you make. The exact amount can vary depending on the currency and withdrawal amount. ATM network fee. Some ATM networks might charge a fee for using their ATMs. This fee is typically passed on to you by YouTrip. Foreign exchange fees. If you're withdrawing money in a foreign currency, you might also incur foreign exchange fees. These fees are usually charged by the ATM network or the issuing bank of your YouTrip card. Tips to minimize fees. Now that you know what to expect, here are a few tips to help you minimize withdrawal fees. Check your currency. Before withdrawing, make sure that the currency you're using is one that YouTrip supports. This can help you avoid additional foreign exchange fees. Use in-network ATMs. If possible, try to use ATMs that are part of YouTrip's network. These ATMs might offer lower fees or even no fees at all. Withdraw larger amounts. In some cases, withdrawing a larger amount can be more cost-effective than making multiple smaller withdrawals. This is because you'll only pay the withdrawal fee once. So, there you have it. While YouTrip does charge fees for withdrawals, these fees can be minimized by following a few simple tips. By understanding the factors that influence withdrawal fees and taking steps to reduce them, you can make the most of your YouTrip card and enjoy your travels without worrying about excessive costs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.